Hi students, myself Arpit Kumar. Today we are going to discussing a topic force of science class 9th. So first of all, I want to introduce myself. As I told, my name is Arpit Kumar. I graduated with BSc in 2018 with physics, chemistry and mathematics. So we are going to study physics, that is force. And in my further studies, I am pursuing MCA from MIT College, Meerut. So no any delay, we move forward to the topic, that is force. So in this chapter, we will study force definition, symbols, units and its dimension, effect of force and formula of force, and etc. What will time require. So what is force? First of all, students thinks what is force. So then in our last classes, student learned that push or pull is force. Yeah, definitely push and pull is force. Okay, so how push and pull is force? So we will try to find out how push and pull is force. So in exact definition, we will try to learn the push or pull on an object with mass that cause it to change its velocity. It means here is push or pull both on what? On an object with this, with mass, means if we are pushing or pulling any object by what? With mass, it means there should be some mass who is pushing or who is pulling of an object, and it should cause change in its velocity. It means if we are pushing or pulling any object with any mass, then this push or pull should change the velocity of object. So the definition we will summarize again: the push or pull on an object with mass that causes it to change its velocity. So next move. Force is an external agent capable of changing the state of rest or motion of a particular body. Means force is an external agent which change the state of an object either in rest or either in motion. So it has a magnitude and direction too. So I think you got it. What is force? So we will see here the symbol of force, the unit of force and the dimension of force. Symbol of force is vector F. Why vector? Vector is a arrow, means symbol of vector is arrow. So arrow denotes the direction, because we studies the force has magnitude and direction too. So symbol of force is vector F. SI unit means standard unit of force is Newton, because Sir Isaac Newton coined the term force. And SI base unit means its unit is kilogram meter per second square, and its other unit are dyne, poundal, pound force, kip, kilopound. So the formula or derivation of this is F equals to ma. Here m is mass and a is acceleration. So force is equal to m into a. The dimension of the force is lmt minus 2. That's symbol, units and dimension of force. So let's start a new thing. Motion refers to the movement of body. When a body is moving either from rest or motion, then it is called motion. The motion can either be described as change in speed. If a body change, or if an object feels change in speed or change in direction, then it can be called the object or body is in motion. So force has different effects. Force can make a body that is rest to move. It can stop a moving body or slow it down. Simply, it can accelerate the speed of a moving body. Accelerate means what? Accelerate means if a body is moving, then it's suddenly change its speed. It either fast speed or slow speed. If it is fast speed, then accelerating. If it is slow speed, then decelerating. It can also change the direction of a moving body along its shape and size. So now we will try to understand what we are saying. The force can make a body that is rest to move. Example, throwing a ball means if a body is in rest and we start to push it, then it starts moving. Likewise, throwing a ball, a ball is in rest, and we put up and throw it to the other person, then it starts moving. It can stop a moving body, or if a batsman ticks a ball and it is moving, a field keeper tries to catch that ball and it stops in her hands. It can accelerate the speed of a moving body. Is accelerate means change in speed or change in motion. That is, a cycle is moving and we try to force them behind it, and it's accelerates its motion, means it's increase its motion, then it can accelerate the speed of a moving body, means force can accelerate the speed of a moving body. It can also change the direction. Change the direction means if a body is moving in its direction and we are forcing it to go in west direction, then it can change its direction or shape object. Formula. What is formula of the force? Force equals to ma. As earlier said, F equals to ma. Here m equals to mass, a is equal to acceleration. It is articulated in Newton, means it can be measured in Newton. Force is a vector quantity. Here mass is a magnitude and acceleration a magnitude, vector quantity. So formula of force is m equals to F equals to ma. So that's it for all. Thank you.